President Constantino Chiwenga could be expelled from ZANU-PF at this week's annual conference. Outspoken former Norton MP Themba Mliswa is warned in what could mark the most dramatic escalation yet in the ruling party's simmering internal power struggle. Sabena mashoko kubuda panguva ine achijamukwa nevanhu. Panguva ine tirikuona kuti Themba Mliswa after ataura mashoko ekuti VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ine vari vulnerable, he can be fired. Panguva ine tirikuona kunzi general vari kudiwa nenyika yese Hamilton anozozvitora sei. Sabena mashoko abuda nyoko panguva ine ndiri subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda mnamubuda nyoko mchinzi. The warning comes as the party reels from the recent leak of confidential dossier reportedly uttered and read by Chiwenga before the Politburo in September, accusing Mnangagwa and his business allies of grant, corruption and capturing the state. The document also accused the presidency's inner circle of funding a 2030 agenda to illegally extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit. According to Mliswa, such open defiance could be the final straw of Mnangagwa, who remains determined to silence internal dissent and project unity ahead of his controversial 2030 campaign. ZANU-PF insiders say the leaked dossier has deepened mistrust within the presidium, with Mnangagwa's loyalists calling Chiwenga's move a declaration of war. The timing of the conference, coupled with the dossier's revelations, has sparked speculation that Mnangagwa may use the gathering to isolate or even expel his deputy under the guise of defending party unity. Mliswa likened the current climate to the tense build-up to November 2017, when Chiwenga led the military intervention that toppled the late Robert Mugabe. But this time, he suggested the former generals stands alone. The former MP, who has often positioned himself as an independent observer of ZANU-PF's internal wars, also questioned whether Chiwenga still commands influence within the military, hinting that Mnangagwa has effectively neutralized any residual power bases that once backed the vice president. As the ZANU-PF conference unfolds, the political stakes have never been higher. If Mliswa's prediction proves accurate, the meeting could mark the end of Chiwenga's political career and the complete consolidation of Mnangagwa's power heading into the 2030 succession battle. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe panguva ine. Imbotudze muri kudi pamusoro ma-utterance aMliswa. Bvira kune section medu mudzamafunguro enyu. Musana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.